Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RAD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming here from. And overall, not, updates, probably not necessarily the right word. Maybe confirmation would be more of an accurate term. And the main point of confirmation comes via this green line right here, right around 86, 87 cents, which is what I talked about in previous videos. And you can see that during the pullback right here, that is exactly where the price bounced. So that's a nice little sign of strength. Now, it's not like this area here is a do or die level, meaning if the price drops below it, that implies the entire chart is broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price, stays above it like it did today, that's definitely a nice sign of strength. Now, taking a step back and looking at more so the bigger picture. So this certainly assumes you have a broader time horizon. But that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So as long as the price stays above that line as the line itself moves higher and higher, then assuming you do care about the big picture, like I said, that does imply that the overall chart is still at full health and kind of firing on all cylinders. Again, yeah, staying up above that 86, 87 cent mark, that would be definitely ideal, but not a do or die because you still do have the 50-period tilt moving average down below you, which ideally you would want to see act as support. The other point of confirmation comes via this red line up here that I talked about in a previous video, and that's, I talked about 90 cents being a potential area of resistance, and that is exactly where the price was rejected from today. So 90 cents has definitely been confirmed as an area where the sellers are hanging out at. So while, by no means am I saying the price can never break above 90 or anything like that, I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that the chart is telling us, the bulls are really going to have to bring their A game if they're going to be able to fight above 90 cents and then be able to stay up above it. All in all, though, good healthy day, nice little consolidation, and good to see that this volume surge right here in the final 30 minutes produced a nice little green candle. So we'll see if that's some sort of leading indicator of what's to come or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.